Alright guys, so I just got the alternator out of this 2009 Ford Taurus. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get to because the alternator sits down there. But I'm going to go through the tools that I needed to do this. So for the bolt that connects to this wire, it is a 13 millimeter. You can use a socket or a wrench. Now, this bolt here and this bolt here takes a 15 millimeter. The top one's easy to get to. The bottom one is a pain in the butt, so I had to buy a swivel for it. And in order to get way down there, basically I had to tape the end of my swivel so it still moves, but it's not loose. Then you're gonna need a screwdriver to pop that out, to push that in and pop it out. And then I bought this. This has a 1/2 inch and then a 3/8, I believe, 3/8 end. And that was for in order to get the alternator off, basically. And then obviously a pair of pliers or something for the hose clamp for this radiator hose to put it back on there, which I didn't do. So that's it, guys. It's just a rundown. Big wrench, ratchet, screwdriver, 15 millimeter, and then I forgot to mention this. So you're gonna have to take this bolt all the way out, and that requires a 9/32 to get that off. So yeah, so there's that size. You got your 13, you got your 15 millimeter with the swivel, and you got both your wrenches. So thanks for watching, guys.